I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the watch and taking immediate action. Make sure the battery is charged or the movement is wound. Once done, remove the watch from your wrist. Use the crown or setting buttons, pull to the first or second position and rotate to move hands. If your watch has a hacking seconds feature, stop the seconds hand to align precisely. Make small adjustments and check that hands move smoothly so you can proceed to fine calibration. Once the basic time is set, you focus on precision and synchronization. Use a reliable reference like an atomic clock on your phone and advance the hands to match. Make sure you do not force mechanical hands backward as that can damage gears. For watches with time zone or DSD functions, set the local zone and confirm date rollover at midnight. If your watch is a smartwatch, open the companion app and sync time via Bluetooth. Let automatic time sync finish before moving on. To finish, verify accuracy and complete final adjustments. Wear the watch for at least a day or place it in different positions to note daily gain or loss in seconds. If it runs fast or slow, follow manufacturer calibration steps or visit a technician for regulation. For smartwatches, ensure the firmware and app are updated and resync if needed. If things go wrong, try reseating the crown, replacing the battery, or reconnecting the app before seeking professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.